Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Google Bard AI tool. This process is very similar to Bing AI chat. First of all, you need to go on Google Bard Waitlist and then you can access to Google Bard, guys. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, you need to go to bard.google.com. The link will be in the description, but as you can see from my screen, here is written that Bard is not currently supported in your country. So at the moment, Google Bard is not supported in my country. At the moment, it's only available in USA and in UK, guys. But I will show you solution how to avoid this restriction and how to join Google Bard waitlist. So I will teach you this trick. If you live outside of USA and UK, go to Google, write free Chrome VPN in the search bar and open the first result, guys. Free VPN for Chrome. This is Chrome VPN extension. You can add this extension to your Chrome. It's totally safe. More than 4 million people already use this VPN, guys. So click add to Chrome. Install this VPN to your Chrome browser. This VPN also has got the premium version, but we don't need the premium version. We will use only free version, guys. We already installed this VPN, which is here. Let's pin this and let's open the VPN. Let's click continue, start, and here when you press this country icon, you will see the countries list, and you can see that UK is available in free account. So let's choose UK and let's turn on the VPN. So we are connected to this IP address. Let's go to Google Bard again. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, guys, this blue join waitlist button appeared, and now we need to click this button and then we need to tick this and then click yes I am in button in the bottom right corner. We have been added to the wait list. Now we need to wait the confirmation mail. Here is the confirmation mail on our Gmail. We are on the wait list. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.